Hello, this video is about how to stream Apple Music on your desktop. You have two options to stream Apple Music on your desktop. One is through the browser. So what you do is you open up whatever browser you have, Chrome. I have Chrome open. Type in Apple Music, search, make sure you find Apple Music, click on it. And so here you are in the browser version of Apple Music on desktop. For new users, you have a 3-month trial, free trial, if you wish to take advantage. But you have to sign in with your Apple ID and password. Okay, so go ahead and sign in. Right, so back in my previous video where it was titled How to Create an Apple ID, I said to put in a valid phone number, and this is why. Because when you sign in, at least as you can see right now, to the browser, they're asking for that authentication. So I'll enter that here. So now I am signed in. This is the Apple Music desktop streaming in the browser. Um, I actually prefer streaming in iTunes on the desktop. I find that easier to make your playlists in, but I'll show you the browser here real quick. Okay, also remember that all your songs are linked to your Apple ID, so if you downloaded songs or whatever or not, they'll show up here in your songs or in your album. Okay. Right. So anyways, going back to making a playlist. So search for the album or the song that you want. All right, so right click on the three dots, add to playlist, and go ahead and add to a new playlist. Okay, give a name, call it a demo playlist. If you want to add a song multiple times here into this playlist, so if you're creating a focus playlist, so you right click on the three dots, and as you can see, you don't have the option to add it again to this playlist. That's why I like the iTunes app for desktop better, but I'll show you how to do this. So in the browser version, if you want to add a song several times to a playlist, you gotta go back to search for that album or that song again. Click on the album to open it, not the little dots, but the album itself. You're going to go to the track that you want to add to our demo playlist. Right click on those three dots, add to playlist, and find that demo playlist that we want to add the song to. And you have to do it multiple times. So I'm going to go back to our demo playlist here and take a look. Okay. Life Goes On was added here at the bottom. So now if you want to move it, because you need at least one filler between each song. As you can see, I am having difficulties moving Life Goes On so that I have fillers between the track. And I have not found a way to do this in the browser version, which is why I like the iTunes app to stream on desktop better. So with the browser version of making a playlist, you would have to go in and add manually the song. And as you can see, it's not letting me remove this track so that I can fix my playlists. Okay, so the point is with the browser version, at least what I found, is that it's more difficult to make a playlist, especially a focus track playlist, where you want to add a filler every in between the title track. So my suggestion is if you're going to use someone else's playlist, adding that playlist to the browser version to stream is perfectly fine. You can just add the playlist to your library and stream from the browser. But if you want to make your own playlist, or if you want to check your audio file to make sure you're streaming from the Apple Music audio file instead of the iTunes file that you bought, then I strongly suggest using the iTunes app on desktop. So you can either open up the iTunes app if you already have it already downloaded on your computer, or you can come over here and open in iTunes just by clicking on that. So the iTunes app opened up. That's what you're seeing here. Our demo playlist that we were making was right there. And it looks like it's changed a little bit, but that's okay. So in the iTunes app for desktop, we are gonna go ahead and add the tracks several times to this playlist. So when you're in the iTunes app, your library, playlist, the demo ones here, the one we're working on, and it looks like it removed Life Goes On from the browser version, so we can just add it back in. So you can either add it through the album or you can add it through the single. So I'm just gonna right click, add to play, sorry. Yes, right click on the three dots, add to playlist. We're gonna go to the demo one right there. Go back to your library, your demo playlist, there's Life Goes On. So if you want to add the title track several times, we'll do it here. Right click on the three dots, add to the last playlist, which is the one we're working on, demo playlist. Yes, I want to add it again. Yes, I want to add it again. So it's three times down here. And so now we want to move it. So to move it, you just highlight it and drag it to the position that you want. Now, if you remember earlier, we were not able to do this in the browser version, which is why I highly suggest the iTunes app if you want to stream and make your own playlists. And so, yep, that is how you make your playlists, and then to stream, all you have to do is press the play button and you'll be streaming. If you want to check the audio file, we have a different video that shows you how to check your file. And again, I want to reiterate that streaming through iTunes is only available on desktop. It is not available on mobile devices, Android or iOS. So streaming in iTunes is only available on the desktop.